Alright, so here we got some more at the same place. Look like Kia Comforts, whatever. These look older. There's this Durstar running. Here's the data for that. Yeah. Look, big Kia Comforts. This is from the 24th week of 2008. 4-ton. Gentech fan motor, it looks like. Got another one. One's really hot air. Looks like they're all running. Also looking good. This is also from the 24th week of 2008. 4-ton. Gentech ECM looks like. Same with these. This is from the 25th week of 2007. 3-ton. So this one's older. This one does not have a logo. Here's this one. I've never filmed these units before. It's also looking really good. This is from the 26th week of 2007. 3-ton. So this one's older, newer than this one. This one's the oldest. So yeah. Alright. 4 Kia Comforts running. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.